How to fix Wi-Fi connected to device but can't provide internet connection on your Android device. Hello and welcome back. Today we're fixing the issue where your Android says it's connected to Wi-Fi but you can't access the internet. So let's just get ahead into it. First thing first, check your internet, your router, if you have stable network or not. If that is not the issue, then you can go ahead and restart your router. So you may just go ahead up and restart your phone for once. Tap by holding on the power button and tapping on the restart. You can follow up that method. Otherwise, you can unplug your router for 30 seconds and plug it back in. So here, you're gonna go to the settings of your Wi-Fi. Go ahead and open up your settings. Go to connections, and here go to Wi-Fi. After that, you're gonna tap on your network and select forget, and then reconnect by entering your password. And make sure your airplane mode is off in quick settings, or we can change the DNS settings. For that, head over to the Wi-Fi that is connected but has no internet connections, and we're gonna go to this IP settings, and we're gonna make it static. So we're gonna make DNS 1.1.1, 1.1.1.1, and DNS 2 1.0.0.0.1. After that, save the DNS settings and see if that works or not. And even if that doesn't work, the next thing is you can just connect your Wi-Fi provider, internet service provider, and that should hopefully fix your issue. Otherwise, also check if there is any update available for your device. That may be the issue, and hopefully one of these fixes your issue. And that is it. So like and subscribe for more tech tips, and see you next time.